Welcome to Unit 3. I love travelling and listening to music. I don't watch TV much, but I like playing video games with my brothers. How about you? What do you like doing in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy playing hockey and football.
I like listening to music.
This unit focuses on free time. You'll practice talking about routines using the present simple. Are your weekends busy? In reading and speaking, you'll find out what two celebrities, Alexandra Burke and Frankie Dettori, like doing at the weekend. Do you have a good work-life balance? In speaking and listening, you'll listen to an expert talking about the secret to a good work-life balance. You'll also complete a questionnaire to find out whether you work to live or live to work. What do a hairdresser, a paramedic, a cake decorator, and a florist have in common? Probably not much. Well, they're all very busy at work, but they try to get a good work-life balance. Watch the video to find out more. Oliver Clark. Oh, I want to learn Hungarian, and I'm just filling in a form to sign up for the class. Do you know how to fill in an application form? The writing section in this unit focuses on form filling, which will be very useful when you want to sign up for a class, join the gym, or even go to the doctor's. Missed a class? You can go online to look at the material again and do the online activities. Are you ready? Let's get started.